Who wants to go swimming? You don't go too far, Hem. Now let's go over this way. Come on, this way. Come on. You don't go too far, Hem. Bug loves swimming. Where are we gonna go, Bug? Bug! Come! Come! Bug, come! Good girl. Good girl. Finally. Ooh, and there's Nibbler in the water. There's Nibbler. You guys having fun? Okay. Good boy, Hem. There are the girls in the water. Bug starts swimming. I always have to call her back. She's a natural swimmer, surprisingly. She's jumped right in. Bug, not too far. I don't want you going down river. Good girl. Good girl. You see that? She's a good swimmer. Okay.